Hello, Mr. Teddy Bear. Hello, Mrs. Teddy Bear. Oh, I just love this. I'm gonna go and eat breakfast. What's this? I forgot. Secret lair when you want to be alone. But anyways, I gotta practice my flying skills, don't I? So I guess it's time. Can you brush my teeth? Yeah, I did. Ew, this sewer, I really need to change. Ugh. Oh, that hurt. It really hurt. Anyways, just gonna go. Wait, where's my dining room again? Oh yeah. Oh, you will love how to plant this brain. It's the best thing in the world. I'm too lazy. Oopsies, I wrote that again. Anyways, my friend Olivia is gonna go change. Ooh, I feel pretty good at the new clips. Anyways, I know everybody thinks that I'm horrible at flying, but I'm gonna prove them wrong. Gosh, I think I can do this time. And I have been practicing my spell books. Gosh, when will Olivia get back? Owie, hurt. Mom said to never go here, so and you get hurt for angels. For devils, nothing happened. But my friend Olivia, owie, owie, that hurt. It hurts. No, I have to keep trying. These people will make fun of me. Ow. Oh my god, my wings are so big. Check my spell box. Oh my god, I did it. I actually did it. I should have said everybody, but no one met pros, of course. Can be free. Oopsies. Guess. Ooh, that hurt. Oh, guess that's one of the staff. Where's my room? Of course, over here. I have to figure out a spell. Oh, Olivia, you're here. Of course I'll be here. Wait a minute, you're not. Void? I don't know anybody. But you know what? Who cares? I mean, he isn't my partner. Maybe the headmaster said that he's my roommate. I really enjoyed having him. Come on. What happened? Gosh. Okay. She really ruined my nest. The nest, gosh. Well, thank God I can fly. Just need to we started advanced learning. From here, wait, what is it? For ancient spellings. From ancient times, we have been using a special chant that people still use to heal themselves, especially high advanced angels. Ugh. Damn. Anyways, and if you say these chants, then you will be healed immediately. Maybe I should try it. Okay, so it says, from 1 to 1, from who I am, I declare I get better and I heal myself for the Lord. Yeah. Oh my God, I did it. This actually works. This is so cool. Now I'm high advanced. Don't read the rest of the letter. Only high advanced angels can use it. If you're a regular pony, you sadly cannot use it. And even if you chant it many times, then nothing will happen. Oh my God, does this mean I'm an advanced pony? Wait, why am I saying pony? I am an advanced angel. Oh my God, this is a dream come true. Oh, I think he left. I swear I just saw him there. Well, I'm not gonna really complain, because I really don't like having roommates for some reason. It just disturbs my privacy. As an angel, I know I have to share and enjoy with you, but come on. What is this book? I swear I saw it over here. Ugh. What does this say? Hereby declares. This is giving a funny vibe, but anyways. I hereby declare. What does hereby mean? Anyways. I hear. Oh wait a minute, it's a spell. Only advanced can use it. Can actually become an angel again. They just have to say the counter spell, but they can't be a demon for more than 24 hours. For one day, and then poof, they're an angel again. They can do it every single day if they want. So this is the magic spell, and I never want an angel to steal it. So you're saying this book literally makes you into a demon? Oh my God, this is horrible. But why did the angels steal it from them? I really need to find some more research. Okay, got this. Okay, let me read it. Let me translate it. To the demons, I have stolen the book, and I will hide it somewhere where nobody can find it. Because you invaded our city of peace? There was a city of peace? I heard Mom mention it, but I never knew this. And then you destroyed us, so now we're going to take all of your valuable stuff, including your clothes, and then you'll become our slaves. What the heck? Starting to think, oh, read this in the writing. So, dear guardians, after I stole the hid it somewhere. So if anybody finds it, please do not use it because it's harmful. What? It's harmful? I'm sure it mustn't be that harmful because I'm the one who found it. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't believe this. This is too much for me to handle. Oh! That was crazy, but anyways. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. This is way too much for me. I must figure out more. I must do this. But I really want to for some reason. You know, this could play some piano. That was some horrible one. Looks like I'll never become good at piano. So I must do this. Well, I love myself, but I have to do this. Where is it again? It's over here. This, and here's the spell. The spell means, as an angel, I make myself into a demon because of me. Oh my god, oh my god. I mean, nothing really happened, right, guys? Wait, where's the mirror? I need to look in the mirror. Wait, okay, yeah, this is the mirror. Oh my god, I've actually turned into a demon. Oh my god, I thought this was fake. Wearing these clothes. And I have horns and I have black wings. Oh my god. And wait, I remember it says something else. It says if you cast a spell and you regret it too late, nothing will happen. That's all I have to say? No. There has to be something. I was just trying this out. No, I can't even go out of my room. Oh my god, somebody's coming. I'm just gonna hide over here. Sweetie? Yes, Mom? Aren't you gonna come downstairs for dinner? What? Yeah, aren't you gonna come downstairs, honey? I am, Mom. Just a minute. Just a minute, Mom. I'm doing something. Honey, where are you? I want to see your face. I'm actually doing something really important. It's just everything. Honey, show your face. Did you hit yourself? Told you not to do that. Wait, really? Just kidding. I know you want to cry, but come on. It's okay if you don't become an advanced angel. You know my one is good. Well, here, let me fix your boo-boos. Mom, it's not called boo-boos anymore. To me it is. I'll just go. I'll give you your time. Come to me when you can. But if you take too much long, I'm gonna get in here and see what you're doing. And if you done anything, I didn't do anything, Mom. I didn't do anything. Alright, but what happened to your voice? You sound pretty weird. Well, the thing is, I just had a little fever. Oh my god, you're sick? Yes, that's what I call it. Of course, I'll go. You do whatever you want. You stay in your room every day. I'm not gonna come in. Thank you, Mom. Gosh. Thank God she's on the door. I'm just gonna. Oh my God. Locks. Okay, good. I locked it. Anyways, I'm just gonna go to bed because I have nothing else to do. Hi everyone, so today, So this is part 1 and I will be making part 2 soon. So bye everyone to see my new journey as a devil.